Hi, my name is Sue. I am part of the talent team here at Apziva. I am excited to welcome you to a transformative experience with the Apziva AI Residency program. Apziva is a startup company established in Ankara, Turkey in 2019. However, we have been operating globally with a vision to unlock human potential. Navigating the job market can be really tough, especially when companies prefer candidates with experience, even for entry positions. However, on average, our residents secure their first interview within 92 days and ultimately land their dream job in 140 days, showing a remarkable starting annual salary of $108,000, and it is guaranteed. The AI Residency program is a 6-month self-paced remote program which allows aspiring data scientists and machine learning engineers to gain hands-on, verifiable industry experience working on real projects under the guide of industry expert mentors. During the AI Residency, you will be working on real projects coming from different industries such as finance, logistics, human resources, retail, and among others. Nevertheless, Apziva offers much more than just project work. It is about growth and guidance. Weekly mentoring sessions ensure that you have industry expert advice on how to enhance your projects and learn industry practice. Each 30-minute session with your mentor is an opportunity to receive personalized feedback and learn from those who have excelled in their fields. Also, direct engagement with hiring managers will improve your portfolio with the help of career sessions such as resume review, LinkedIn optimization, GitHub optimization, and many more. Mock interviews with leading data scientists and senior machine learning engineers will prepare you for upcoming interviews as well. We seek individuals who are committed and have basic understanding of machine learning and data science along with coding skills. Our selection process is comprehensive, aiming to identify those who fulfill these key requirements. I invite you to embark on this journey with us. Let's bridge the gap together from learning to leading in machine learning and data science world. Apply now and start your path to a fulfilling and exciting career. Thank you for considering Apziva AI Residency program. Your future starts here.